Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be comparing two of the most popular air fryers in the market right now, the Instant Vortex Plus and the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Make sure to hit the like button if you find this video helpful, comment below which one you prefer, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Both air fryers are very versatile, with the ability to air fry, bake, roast, reheat, and dehydrate food. The Instant Vortex Plus has one-touch smart programs which make it easier to cook different types of food such as wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. On the other hand, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer offers 6 versatile cooking programs such as air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, it has the added advantage of being able to cook 2 different items in 2 separate baskets, making it perfect for large family meals. In terms of functionality, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer offers more cooking options, but the Instant Vortex Plus is more convenient. Both air fryers have a sleek and modern design that would complement any kitchen. The Instant Vortex Plus has a clear cook window and an internal light, making it easy to monitor the cooking progress without opening the basket. It also has a progress bar that helps you keep track of the cooking process. On the other hand, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer has dual zone technology, 2 independent baskets, and a smart finish feature that cooks 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time or match cooking. The Ninja Foodi also has a Foodi Smart thermometer that helps you achieve the perfect doneness from rare to well done. In terms of design, the Instant Vortex Plus is more straightforward, while the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer is more advanced. The Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $119, while the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer is priced at $229, which is significantly higher. While the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer has more features, the Instant Vortex Plus is a much more affordable option which still offers excellent functionality and design. And that's our comparison of the Instant Vortex Plus and the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Both air fryers have their advantages, and it ultimately comes down to individual preferences. If you're someone who wants more versatility and the ability to cook different items at once, the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer is a great option. But if you want a straightforward and more affordable air fryer, the Instant Vortex Plus is definitely the way to go. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment below which air fryer you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.